What if I told you, your job might vanish by 2026, and no one's preparing you? But here's the twist. This isn't your downfall, it's your biggest opportunity yet. Welcome to Speak a Tale, where stories shape your future. Today, we uncover 10 jobs that artificial intelligence will likely replace by 2026. But more importantly, we'll reveal how you can rise above it and become truly irreplaceable. 1. Fast food workers. Example, McDonald's AI drive-thru. Let's start with a job that's everywhere: fast food workers. In Texas, McDonald's is already testing AI-powered drive-thrus, where your order is taken by a machine, not a human. No more, "Would you like fries with that?" Now it's just code and algorithms. But here's the flip side. The ones managing these systems, programming them, or ensuring customer satisfaction, still human. Lesson: don't be the one replaced. Be the one who programs, supervises, or innovates the system. 2. Data entry clerks. Example, automation explosion. Data entry jobs are disappearing faster than we realize. With tools like UiPath and Microsoft Power Automate, AI can now input thousands of rows in seconds. What once took you 8 hours, now takes 8 seconds. But the human brain still rules when it comes to strategy, logic, and ethical decision-making. So if you're in this field, level up. Learn automation, not just manual input. 3. Telemarketers. Example, AI voice calling systems. How often do you pick up a call and hear, "Hi, this is Sarah from XYZ company," but you know it's not Sarah? AI voice bots now mimic human tone, timing, and inflection. Companies are replacing human telemarketers with AI scripts that never get tired, take breaks, or feel rejection. But humans still sell better when empathy is involved. So shift from calling to relationship building, copywriting, or customer success. 4. Retail cashiers. Example, Amazon Go stores. In Amazon Go stores, you just walk in, pick what you want, and walk out. No cashiers, no lines, no humans. AI sensors and cameras track your purchases. Jobs that once supported millions are vanishing. But don't panic. Visual merchandisers, brand storytellers, and in-store experience designers are rising. The future of retail isn't about scanning, it's about engagement. 5. Customer support. Example, ChatGPT plus chatbots. Ever messaged a company and got a perfect reply, only to find out later it was AI? AI now handles 80% of customer inquiries across industries. It's fast, polite, and multilingual. But what AI still lacks is emotional intelligence, crisis handling, and creative problem solving. That's where you step in. Drop a comment below with "I'm ready" if you're serious about making this year your breakthrough year. 6. Proofreaders. Example, Grammarly plus AI writing tools. With tools like Grammarly, Jasper, and ChatGPT, proofreading is practically automated. Yes, AI can spot typos, grammar issues, even suggest tone adjustments. But what it can't replace is the human voice, creativity, and nuance in storytelling. Writers who blend human emotion with AI editing, they're the future. 7. Drivers. Example, self-driving cars. Tesla, Waymo, Cruise. Self-driving cars aren't sci-fi, they're here. By 2026, many logistics companies are aiming to replace human drivers with autonomous fleets. But, and here's the hope, humans are still needed for logistics management, maintenance, oversight, and AI training. Drivers who upskill into fleet analytics or AI operations will be in higher demand than ever. 8. Basic graphic designers. Example, Canva plus iArt. You can type, "Make me a logo," into AI, and boom, it's done. Canva, DALL-E, Mid-Journey, all can create stunning designs in seconds. But here's the truth. Clients don't just want images, they want meaning, they want emotion. Great designers will evolve into brand artists, storytellers, and creators who understand why design matters, not just how it looks. 9. Bank tellers, example, digital banking shift. How often do you visit a bank now? Probably never. Mobile apps now handle deposits, loans, customer queries, all powered by AI. Traditional teller jobs are disappearing, but roles in financial advising, cybersecurity, and AI risk analysis are exploding. If you're in banking, move toward the human side of money, guidance, trust, protection. 10. Journalists, basic reporting, example, AI news writers. Yes, AI can write the news now. Algorithms can report sports scores, stock updates, and even write headlines. BuzzFeed and CNET have used AI to generate articles. But remember, real journalism needs courage, ethics, context, and soul. If you're a writer, go deeper, investigate, inspire, tell the stories that no algorithm can. Quick question: what job do you think AI will replace next? Comment below. Let's start a powerful conversation together. I read every single one. When I first saw AI writing scripts like this one, I was terrified. I thought, what's the point of Speak a Tale anymore? But then I realized something. AI can give you facts, but only I can give you emotion, heart, soul, vision. And you, yes you, can do the same in your field. Don't compete with AI, become what it can never be. Yes, AI will replace jobs, but it can't replace dreamers, creators, fighters, you. This isn't the end of your story, this is chapter 1 of your reinvention. So if you believe in your potential, if you're ready to rise, not run, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and make your future unstoppable, then hit that subscribe button right now. Join the Speak a Tale family, where we don't fear the future, we shape it. Subscribe to Speak a Tale and hit the bell icon for inspiring content and life-changing ideas.